Right guys, I'm back, and there's only one on this level, so let's get going. That's why I hope the door's open, because that's going to make things a lot quicker. But yeah, this one's actually, I don't know, difficult to find unless you've got the mathematic, and difficult to get as well. This was just a challenging planet all around, wasn't it? Epic planet though, epic. We've actually got 14 left to find if there is 40, which I'm worried about because there's only 5 levels to get 14 over, so I'm kind of fucked. Guess we'll find out whether I've missed any. Alright. Just rave into the music, guys. Rave into the music. Oh great, that was a teleporter. Fucking lovely. Right guys, it's down here. This is where things start getting slightly difficult though. Oh, use. Ah! I suck at alternative platforming. Right. There we go. Right. The only one on this planet, guys, so yeah. Thanks for watching, and join me on the next video when we go to Planet Smog.